Hi you guys, I am back with another great video, and this video is number 30 in a 31 video series. This is the last video before the last video. So yeah, I'm just glad that everyone has stuck with me throughout this journey and enjoyed the videos as much as I enjoyed doing them. In this particular video, I am doing my youngest daughter's hair, and she is just pretty much getting box braids. For the most part, this is really all my girls wear. The two younger ones is just box braids. They rarely get their hair cornrowed, like once in a while, but for the most part, this is what they prefer. So yeah, just kicking back, watching a movie. I'm not sure which movie we was watching, but it was kind of like a spooky movie, I think. I'm not sure, or drama. Oh yeah, and then there's my other daughter with some type of facial mask on her face. We're actually trying out the one of the Japanese snack packs. So that's what she have, and she's like throughout the video she'll be handing off some to everybody so we can try it out. And yeah, some of them turned out to be really good, but some of them weren't all that great. So just kick back and relax and continue to watch me do my daughter's hair. I will be having more videos to come. When this video is uploaded, the other video, the last video, will follow directly after. And then maybe for the month of February, I won't do no videos. I'll just do the video presenting the prize at the end of the month, or I might let it run through the month and give the prize out in March because my videos were kind of late going out. Other than that, I want a lot of people to be able to join, to get the opportunity to have the chance to win. I know I will be giving away a wig. I'm not quite sure what else I'll be giving away, if I'll be giving away anything else along with that, but I'll definitely be giving away a nice curly wig, and I'll probably have a video of me actually making that wig so you guys can enjoy that. But for the most part, sit back and enjoy the video, and thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications and leave your comments in the down below if you have any questions to ask me about anything. If I can answer it, I will. If I can't, I will also let you know that. Once again, the word for this video is C. C as in the letter C, as in cookie, as in candy, as in create. The letter is C. Thanks for watching. Bye.